This deadbolt actually comes pre-programmed with a user code, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's recommended that you obviously delete that because people have the internet and they can see this video. So to add a code that will unlock the door, it's called a user code. What you want to do is enter your master code, 0000, press unlock. It'll beep once, then you press 1, then you press lock again. Enter your code between 4 and 10 digits. I'm going to do 1, 1, 1, 1, and then the lock button. That'll beep twice. If it beeps 3 times, you did something wrong. So now, you lock this, say you're outside of the house, and to unlock, you enter your user code, 1111, unlock. User code is set. If this was locked and you try using the master code, 0000, beeps 3 times, nothing's gonna happen. So let's say you want a code specifically for the kids or someone else. You do that same thing, enter your master code, 0000, lock, 1, lock, enter your new code, 3333. That can be 4 to 10 digits. Lock, beeps twice. Now you have 2 user codes programmed in here. We'll lock this. 1111, lock. That unlocks. And then we'll try the kids code, 3333, lock, unlocked. You can have up to 6 user codes in one-time user code, which is really cool. It'll only work one time. As a note, don't make any of your user codes the same as your master code. To set a one-time user code, let's say somebody's dropping something off or somebody's coming to work on your house, what you want to do is enter your master code, 4 zeros, lock, 1, 9, lock, and then we'll do 5, 5, 5, 5, lock, beeps twice, and now that's set. Now watch this. This is really cool. Locked. We enter the one-time passcode, 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. It unlocks. Now let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. Doesn't work because that deletes immediately after use, which is really cool.